What's up, my friends? What's up, my friends? It's me again. It's me here once again. And if you see the box in the bed, if you see the box in the video, you know what this is. This is an unboxing video. This is Devereaux Davis, your host of the Morning Beer Podcast. And we're here today and we're unboxing the iPhone 13 Plus 1 terabyte. Excuse me. Wait, hold up. I botched that. Hold on. Let's do that all over again. We're unboxing the iPhone Pro Max. What the hell was I talking about? The Pro Max 1 terabyte. I got it in granite, and it makes no sense to even continue with this. Let's just open the box, get straight to it. Let's see what we got. I just purchased this. This is I got this the day it came out. Actually, sorry, the day it was able to be pre-ordered. And it got mailed to my girl's job because you had to sign off on it because it's over $1,000 device. And the terabytes are not in store, so I couldn't pick it up on the 24th of September. So I had to wait for it to be mailed to us, and we're just gonna go ahead and unbox this, okay? So there we go. Never been opened before. Tearing it open. We're gonna pause it. So here it is. All right, let's get this box open. Bam, that's everything from Verizon. I'm with Verizon now, just skipped from AT&T. So guys, all right, this is being videotaped right now on my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but I do not deal with iPhones. I'm pretty much strictly Android, but I had to, job reasons, job purposes, had to get a new phone ASAP Rocky, and pretty much this was what was the newest thing out, the newest toy. So promised my girl I get this. This is how it comes, straight out the box. As you can see, it's hasn't been opened yet, and we're going to start the unboxing right now. Boom, pulling off the tabs, fresh out the box. We're going to take a look at this. Is a big boy right here because I only deal with big phones, because oh, look at that. So I never dealt with iPhones before. This looks nice. So anyway, look at the camera. Look at the 3 cameras right here. This is the 1 terabyte big boy right here. So we're gonna put this to the side. What's this? This is okay. This is protecting. Let's just show you what it comes with. Of course, it comes with a charging cord right there. This is obviously the same stuff they put in pretty much all the phones as far as is this to open it? Yep, that's the little key right there to open it, so you can put your SIM card in and all this other stuff with a little bit of instructions, an Apple sticker, and that's all in the box. So let's look at the device right here. Let's take off the garden, and voila. So this is beautiful. This is like totally perfect, and you can see me right here on camera because this thing is like a damn mirror. So boom. Right there, look at that. Look at the size right there. Beautiful. This is like a beautiful, sturdy, heavy, solid device. So in my left hand, I have the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, and with a case on. And it's a little heavy. This is what I'm videotaping this with. And in my right hand, I have the iPhone, and the iPhone feels heavy. It's like I'm double recording myself. Look. Mirror, me, some of my dog hairs on it, but that's alright. We'll get that off real quick. And that's pretty much it. What I'm gonna do, I have a case right here too. I'm gonna show you the case real quick that I'm gonna put it in, because this right here is water resistance, shock resistance. It also prevents scratches, all the other stuff, and all that good stuff. My girl decided to get it for me. So we're gonna open this. It's a phone case, focus quality innovations, just something we got off Amazon real quick. And yeah, there it is. I'm gonna put it in this bad boy right here, and that is it. That's my unboxing video. We did this in like 5 minutes. This is a new iPhone Pro Max 1 terabyte, so I have a lot of space, take a lot of pictures, do a lot of videos, be more prominent on YouTube. So if this is something that you're on the fence, you're not sure if you want to make a purchase on, I got it. I'll do a review on this probably in a week, maybe 2 weeks, maybe even a month, but I'll do a review on this. and let you know how I feel about this device, going from having only Androids to having an iPhone now. The last iPhone I had was iPhone 4, so this is many years ago. Haven't had an iPhone in a long time, so I'm going to tell you my experience going from Android for maybe 9-10 years to now finally an iPhone. So we'll see how this go. All right, I'm gonna leave you real quick. I'm about to go eat. My girl just made some good food, and I'm hungry as hell. Had a long day at work. So I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis. Please like, subscribe. I can't say subscribe without stuttering. Please like, subscribe, share, and tell a friend. Even leave a comment below. Anything that you do will help any type of activity. So with that, peace.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely.